Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel today. I want to say that I thank you so much for your support in reaching my goal of 500 subscribers. Yay! We did it, guys. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support out there. Now we have set a new goal, 1,000 subscribers. Oh yes, we're on a roll and we're going to continue. We're going to make that goal, guys. Yes, we are together, okay? And remember, if you want to see anything else on the channel, hey, leave a comment, okay? Let me know what you would like to see, and I'll be so glad to add it on there for you guys, alrighty? All right, so today I'm going to make a dish that is a little different, okay? You can serve it with chicken, you can serve it with sausage. Today I'm making it for breakfast. It is a one-pan dish for breakfast, okay? And I'm taking a shot already, so you know exactly what's gonna go in there, and I will be sure to put everything in the slides for you guys, okay? Very detailed instructions, alrighty? So we're gonna get started on this dish, all right? Let's get started. Right, now the way we're going to do this, guys, is everything is in layers, okay? So what we're gonna start off with, we're gonna go ahead and take our biscuits here, and we're going to place those in our prepared pan. And the prepared pan is just like this, okay? It's a spring pan. And I did spray it, and I did put a parchment paper in the bottom. Alrighty, so then we're going to go ahead and take our biscuits and lay them out. No special order. Just place them inside of the pan. Now you can use any type of flavor of biscuits you like. These just happen to be honey butter, and I do use the flaky version, okay? And you can kind of put them kind of close together in the pan as well. And I'll make sure I show you that. Okay, just like that. All right. And if you have any biscuits left over, you can put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them for next time. Alrighty. So next up, we're going to go ahead and put in our meat. Here I have some sausage that I've already broken up into little pieces. Okay, I'm just going to spread that throughout the pan like this. Simple little dish. Nothing complex about it. And for you sausage lovers, this is called pan sausage. And like I said, you can use link sausage. You can try ground meat. You can try any type of meat that you really like in this dish. Even chicken. Now the chicken, I would kind of brown it before I put it in. That way it'll make sure that it is partially done, because it's a thicker meat. And it may take a little more time to get completely cooked in the dish. Okay? All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Wash my hands. All right. Okay. So now, as you can see here, it's topped on top of our biscuits there. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is add in our chopped bell peppers. We're going to add in 1 cup of chopped bell peppers, and that you can use the yellow, the red, the green, or the orange. It's up to you. I chose the orange and the red mixture. I'm just going to sprinkle that on top as well. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. Next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our chives here. Just a little. Just to give it a little flavor there. Alright. Okay, so next up, what we're going to be adding on top of these particular items right here that we've already put in here, we're going to put in some eggs that I've already whipped. Okay, it takes about 9 to 10 eggs. Okay, so I'm just using 9 because this is a very small spring pan and I don't want to overload it. So I'm using 9 in this particular size. Okay, all right, so we're going to go ahead and whip up our eggs in here. Because they want you to whip them up, you know, or should I say you should whip them up before you add them to the spring pan. You can mix in your seasonings at this point. I put pepper, salt, let's see, a touch of garlic powder and a touch of onion powder. That's what I put in here. Okay. All right, that looks good to me. Yes, that's whipped enough, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. All right. So now next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our cheese on top there. You can use a generous amount. Feel free to. If I were to put a measurement on this, guys, I would say half a cup of each brand of your choice. This is Colby Jack and mozzarella. Okay, so that's what I would use. I would use half a cup, which was totaled out to about a cup. Okay. Make sure you pack it around the edges. Okay. All right, that looks good to me. Okay. Okay, and then next up, we're going to go ahead. Now that we have our cheese in there, we're going to go ahead and put in our eggs, okay, and just layer it, just like that. Put it all around the edges. All right, okay. Lastly, we're going to add in our 1 cup of milk right on top of it. Okay. All right. And then since I like cheese, I'm going to go back over it again and just top it a little bit. Just the fruit sprinkles there. Not a lot, like I did the first time around. Just to give it that coat that I'm looking for. All right. Now, everything has been layered out. And what we're going to do right now is place this in the oven on a tray. Okay, because you want a tray on the bottom of it. And it's going to bake at 350 for about 45 minutes, okay, to 50 minutes. And you can check it in between there just to see if there's anything or going on that you need to change, or if it's done enough for you guys, that's exactly what you do. All right, and we're gonna come back and I'll show you the end results of that. All righty. I just wanted to show you guys this part here, exactly what I did. I put it in the pan like I suggested, and I also put a secure foil wrap around the pan because it is a spring pan. Alrighty, normally this is baked in a whole pan without any looseness on the bottom. I chose to use a spring pan, smaller version. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that. We'll be back shortly. Alrighty, we are back, and our breakfast, one dish breakfast is finished, guys. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like fresh out of the oven there. Alright, we're gonna open it up now and see what it looks like inside. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, we're gonna lift that up. Take that away. Okay. Looks pretty good there. And that's it out of the spring form pan there, alrighty? So now we're going to slice this and taste it. It smells really, really good, guys. That. Fresh out the oven. It is hot. All right. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna say for the appearance, I would give it an A because it did exactly what I expected it to do. It's very high, very thick, and fluffy. How fluffy that is. Look at that. That. This is really, really good. This is delicious, guys. I taste the bell peppers. I taste the cheese, of course. The honey, flaky biscuits. The seasoning that I put in there with the eggs. I'm so glad I made this. This is absolutely delicious. This is good. I recommend you try this one. And a few things I can say about it is that rather than the 40 minutes, I left it in there for 50. An additional 10 minutes. Okay. That's an electric oven. Okay, I'm not sure if you're gonna make it in a gas oven, 40 minutes just might do, because there's a difference in the ranges of the different stoves and how they cook. Okay, so I'll put that out there. Second thing, if you're going to use a spring form pan, I recommend you line the inside with foil. Okay, And that way it'll be able to contain all of the liquids, the milk and the eggs in there, okay, perfectly for you, and it'll cook all in one thing. Okay, this dish right here, I used the spring form, and some of the egg and some of the milk did seep out a little bit around the edges. Okay, I took a snapshot of it fresh out the oven so you know exactly what that looks like. So I do recommend that if you're going to do this dish, make sure that you use a pan that does not have any openings. Okay, all right, so I want to let you know that those tips before we sign off for today. Alrighty, so thank you again for joining me here on the channel, and that's Diane's Decorating and More. If you decide to make this dish, be sure to leave a comment for me, okay? Or comment on this here that I prepared here in the kitchen on today. All right, y'all go out and have a great one, and we'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share the channel, guys. Alrighty. Once again, thank you for your support out there and helping me reach my goal of 500 subscribers. We're on our way to 1,000, so hang tight, alrighty? Y'all go out and have a great one. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.